activity since it is Christmas. This is the surprise. Ta-da! This is called the Fleximos. So it's also called window art. And there are 5 colors and 12 pouches. So let's begin. I think I gotta open it from the back. It opened. Look, guys. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. Oh, are you kidding me? There's another load of tape. Colors, and we have 3 windows. This is a Santa Claus window or shape. And this is a snowman. And this is a Christmas tree. First, I'm going to start with the Christmas tree. So I also have some Fleximos colors. I have red, green, yellow, orange, and white. They kind of look like cheese. So for the Christmas tree, I need yellow and green. If you want to copy, you can take the box and copy the Christmas tree here. Christmas tree. First, let's start with the green. So I got this open for just experimentation. Green, yellow, and red. Yeah, this is like once you get used to it, it's like not that sticky. Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree. Let's put the yellow star on you. Okay, I would like to do some Christmas activities, 'cause it's Christmas, Christmas. white, I use yellow because yellow is bright like lights. And red I'm going to use for the decorations, globes or ornaments. Done with you ornaments. Ta-da! This is my final Christmas tree. It has green for the tree, red for the decorations, yellow for the star, yellow for the lights, and everything else is perfect. Do you like it? The next part is the most exciting part. We're gonna peel it off and it's gonna be a sticker. Leave it to dry a little and then peel it off. Now I'm going to stick it on the paper plate. This is my Christmas tree. Look, it's staying. You can stick the Fleximos wherever you want. On your notebook, on your fridge, if you want to. You can stick it on your crafts. You can use it for somebody's birthday. You can make a card with it. Anything you would like. I hope you guys will like my Christmas tree. For the snowman, you have to use color combinations. To make brown, you have to use red and green equals brown. And we have to use white, obviously. And you can use any color you want for the hat, scarf, or however it looks like. And for Santa Claus, we have to combine the same colors. But the t-shirt should be red, the belt should be white, the hat, the pom-pom of the hat should be white, and the hats should be red. Or if you want, you could just copy from the box. This is my final Christmas tree. This is the masterpiece of Christmas. I hope you like it.